Havana is the capital city, largest city, province, major port, and a leading commercial center of Cuba. The city has a population of 2.1 million inhabitants, and it spans a total of 781.58 kilometers square, making it its largest city by area, the most popular city, and the fourth largest metropolitan area in the Caribbean region. The city of Havana was founded by the Spanish in the 16th century, and due to its strategic location, it served as a springboard to the Spanish conquest of the Americas, becoming a stopping point for treasure-laden Spanish galleons returning to Spain. The King Philip II of Spain granted Havana the title of city in 1592. Walls as well as forts were built to protect the old city.